Life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you must know how to change negatives to positives. Hello everyone, I am back with another video by Mathematics to Tan 90, and we will cover further questions in this video, which are exercise 1B questions, question number 5 till question number 8. So let's begin. Alright, question number 5. If z square is directly proportional to x cube and z is equal to 8 when x is equal to 4, find the value of z when x is equal to 9. So here we can easily use the unitary method. So z square is proportional to x cube. Now the value of z is 8. So what will be z square? 8 multiplied by 8, that is 64. And what will be x cube? The value of x is 4. So that means x cube will be 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, which is also 64. Then find the value of z when x is equal to 9. So now we don't know the value of z square. We need to find z, but in order to find z, we first have to find z square, because there is a relationship between z square and x cube. Okay, so we will put this as, we can name it as z square because we don't know this. Okay, yeah, all right, we can name this as z square, and the other one says x is equal to 9. So we need to find out that what is 9 cube, because again the relationship is between z square and x cube, not z and x. So we need to find what is 9 cube. So 9 cube is 729. 729. Now we don't know z square. So we will cross multiply. So of course when it's 64 till 264, so z square will also be 729. So z square is equal to 729. So now in order to find the value of z, we will under root on both the sides, and when we under root 729, we get the answer 27. So remember one thing, it should be plus 27 and minus 27, both answers. So the value of z is 27 and negative 27. So we have done this question. So wasn't this easy? Like every problem has a solution. Mathematics may not teach us that how to add love or subtract hate, but it gives us hope. And that hope is that every problem has a solution. So now let's move to question number 6. If Q is directly proportional to P minus 1 whole square. Why am I saying whole square? Because this is there is a bracket and there is a square outside the bracket, and inside the bracket there is P minus 1. So basically there is a square on P minus 1, the whole thing. Okay, alright. If Q is directly proportional to P minus 1 whole square and Q is equal to 20 when P is equal to 3, find the value of P when Q is equal to 80. Again we will use the same way. So Q is directly proportional to P minus 1 whole square. We will write this. Okay, so Q is 20. Now, there is a relationship between Q and P minus 1 whole square. So we need to find P minus 1 whole square. So since P is 3 when Q is 20, so 3 minus 1 will give us 2 and 2 square will give us 4. Okay, find the values of P. Now it says values, not one value, values. That means there are more than one answers to this question. Okay. Now find the values of P when Q is equal to 80. So we have 80 over here. We have to find the value of P. But in order to find P, we first need to find P minus 1 whole square. So let's keep this as question mark. We don't know this. Okay. We will cross multiply. So 80 multiplied by 4 divided by 20. So we can write it as 8 multiplied by 4 divided by 2, because the zeros just cancel out, okay? So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, and 8 multiplied by 2 will give me 16. So the answer for p minus 1 whole square is 16. P minus 1 whole square is equal to 16. Now I will introduce an under root on both the sides. So that means p minus 1 equals plus minus under root 16. You know why we are putting a plus minus, right? Now, so p minus 1 positive 4 because under root 16 will give us positive 4 and negative under root 16 will give us negative 4. That will be p minus 1 negative 4. So in this case, negative 1 will go there, become plus 1. So it will be p is equal to 5. And the other answer is this will go there and become plus 1. So negative 4 plus 1 will be negative 3. So we have two values for p. P is equal to 5 and p is equal to negative 3. Alright, now let's move to question number 7. Given that y is directly proportional to x cube, copy and complete the table. Now this is for x and y. We have a relationship between y and x cube. So first let's try to find out the value of k. So if it says that y is directly proportional to x cube, then it would definitely be y is equal to k x cube. So k will be y upon x cube. So this is complete. We can get the values from here. So if we plug in 6 in place of x and 648 in place of y, so 6 cube will give me 216. So k will be 648 divided by 216. So what is 648 divided by 216? That is 3. So y is equal to 3x cube will be our equation. And by substituting values in this equation, we have done these kinds of questions before. So if you have any problem, you can refer to my previous videos. Okay. So we will fill out this table which I've already filled out for you. So you can check your answers. Alright. So now let's move to question number 8. Now question 8 says, given that the mass m gram of a square is directly proportional to the cube of its radius r centimeter, copy and complete the table below. Okay, so what will be the relationship? So it's radius and radius is in cube. Okay, so mass is directly proportional to r cube. So this will be the equation. Okay, and we need to find the value of k. So now can you find the value of k yourself? So m is 6.75 and the radius is 1.5. This is the only value which we have complete. So we will do 1.5 cube and 6.75. We have these two values. So 6.75 divided by 1.5 cube. So k will be 2. We got this value of k. And then with the help of this value of k, our equation will be m is equal to 2r cube. And then now I want you to fill the table yourself. I have written the answers for you. It's very simple. You will just have to use this equation, plug in the values, and then you'll get your answer. So I hope you found today's video beneficial. Please mention it in the comment box. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.